So here it is, my front door. I got this sign yesterday. Isn't it pretty? I love it. I'm gonna change the bow to black and white, like a check print. And I wanna add some check in here too. But these are from Dillard's. And this I got off of a lady. I love this. Anyway, this is what my door starts to look like. Do you see the dirt and the grime around the doorway? It is an old door. We painted it red when we moved in. It was black and green, I think, at one point. And this is like 3 layers of red paint, maybe only 2. It needs another layer already, I think. Anyway, I wash this several times a year, at least 4 times a year. I have to wash my front doors because they just collect, like, look at the, see, they just collect dirt. So I gotta clean everything off, but I use just dish soap, and the pine salt is for this floor because I've got to scrub that too. So that is it. Got it cleaned off. Moved this here, and look what I saw up there. Look at that. That is one of those fuzzy caterpillar things that, like, you're not supposed to touch. That's just creepy. And the things I find on this wall, like, what in the world? Seriously? Or this, look. What is that? There's some stuff up here. Really? Yeah. And they're done. Scrubbed them and everything. And the floor. I scrubbed the floor too. I only use these kind of scrubbers on the tile, not on the door. Because on the door, you need a microfiber so it doesn't scratch paint. And because I'm on a roll, I'm going to just wash all the windows. Hi. Because I'm doing it, right? Because we're doing it, right? Yeah. Yeah, so.
And those two
just Dawn soap and a brush. Clean windows.
In my...
What? Let me see. Say cheese. Say hi.
Cheese.
Diva Diva. You're not.
Chinatown, Boris. You can't have that. It's too violent.
I'm not talking to you.
You disgust me. You don't even smell like Santa. You smell like beef and cheese. Now get out of here. Now, what you were saying, sweetie?
I would like Grand Theft Auto Chinatown, Boris.
It's reprehensible.
You're reprehensible.
You're a fake. I'm a fake, huh? How'd you like to be dead? What? Oh! He's not really Santa Claus! No! No!
Oh my God.
And you, get out of my store! I'm Santa now. Ho, ho, ho!
Mommy, are these people leaving? I think these people are leaving.
Oh my God, I don't know. You were so cute. And it wasn't a lot of that. You did the little thing.
Oh, look, look.
But wait, you didn't grow up having to take care of it.
Actually, look,
I grew up
You like it, Harp?
yeah, it's so fun.
Well,